Should have puffer paint over here. Not fathead. That's a big step down. That's why we straight. That's state. I feel like I'm gonna recognize the spot that I fell in. I feel like I'm gonna recognize the spot that when I fell into the river that one time when I was here with my other friend. I'm so serious. I wonder if I can remember the spot. I feel like it was like way down there though. Yeah, because I feel like we wouldn't have. Yeah, because there was a guy who was out there eating lunch with his daughter in the middle of the river, and I was like, I want to get out there, and then boom, slipped and fell in the water, just in the water, tumbling in circles like a fucking washing machine.